ZANU-PF Secretary for Information and Publicity, Christopher Mchangwa, has urged individuals harboring ambitions to lead Zimbabwe in 2028 to put such aspirations aside, declaring that there is currently no vacancy state house. Sarabina Mashkubla Chinzi Mchangwa says there is no vacancy state house as ZANU-PF backs President Mnangagwa's leadership. Yonekwa as a direct job. Kuna VP Constantino Chuenga was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. During an ongoing press statement at the ZANU-PF headquarters in Harare, Comrade Mchangwa said the people of Zimbabwe continue to express overwhelming confidence in the leadership of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, citing the significant developmental achievements recorded under the Second Republic. He noted that President Mnangagwa's administration has spearheaded major infrastructure projects, accelerated economic modernization, transformed the agricultural sector, promoted industrial growth, and implemented people-centered policies aimed at improving the livelihoods of citizens across the country. According to Comrade Mchangwa, feedback gathered from communities nationwide indicates strong public support for the continuation of the government's transformative agenda in order to consolidate gains already achieved and advance the country's vision-related aspirations. The remarks come amid growing discussions within political circles regarding Zimbabwe's future leadership beyond 2028. However, ZANU-PF maintains that the current focus should remain on supporting the president's development agenda and ensuring the successful implementation of programs designed to deliver prosperity and sustainable growth for all Zimbabweans. Party officials say the Second Republic's achievements in infrastructure development, investment attraction, agricultural productivity, and economic reforms have strengthened public confidence in President Mnangagwa's leadership and vision for the nation. Doma developments are kudapangwa ino. Kuna section mendo za fungura enye motu kulipa msura pichitu kuishi. Subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.